Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video we will tell you about the internet, how and where the internet came from and who invented it, and how did the idea of creating the internet come to the human mind. So viewers, we first give you a full form definition of the internet: international network of computer. Internet means connecting two or more computers together is called internet. The history of the internet is not the oldest. J.C. Arlick Leader was a scientist who belonged to an agency called DARPA, that is Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. J.C. Arlick Leader founded Intergalactic. The purpose of J.C. Arlick Leader was to provide information to people all over the world. J.C. Arlick Leader stepped forward for this work and became the head of DARPA. And their two sons, Winsor and Bob Kahn, renamed the Internet in 1974. Transmission Control Protocol was then introduced. In 1974, Dr. Robert Cliff invented a wire called Ethernet coaxial cable, through which data could be transformed from one computer to another, but it could only work in a limited space. In 1983, Winsor and Bob Kahn changed the name of DARPA to ARPA. At the same time, it was made mandatory that whoever wants the internet will get TCP first, that is Transmission Control Protocol. With that, Winsor and Bob Kahn formed a company called Internet Service Provider, through which the internet could go from house to house and receiver was made, which we call a modem, be connected to anyone's computer, and the company would receive a bill and call it a dialogue system. The first email was launched in 1996 and Google was invented in the same year, but we will tell you about it in a separate video. How Google was invented in 1998. Hedy Lamarr, a woman, invented Wi-Fi. Fed up with the voice of the internet, he thought that if the sound on the radio could go from one place to another without a wire, then why not data? He worked hard to invent Wi-Fi, meaning wireless fidelity. In 1984, Dr. Jon Postel created domain extensions that can be used to create a website. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee, scientist, created a worldwide website which made it easy to create a website. With its advent, nothing in the world will be hidden. Wikipedia has become a website that can be used for education. In 2003, entertainment began to be available on the internet. Apple company launched a website called it iTunes, uploading 20,000 songs. Gmail was launched in 2004 and the data storage capacity was increased to 1 gigabyte. Before that, it was Yahoo and Hotmail also used to give 2 or 4 megabyte. Now many more things have been invented in the world due to internet. We will tell you about them in a separate video. Thank you.